Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So right here, this is example 3 under the video series combination, and what you are looking at is combination without condition. So now look at this example. It says evaluate 9 combination 4. So this is a straightforward question. 9 combination 4. So let's do this. So now in doing something like this, just apply the formula, which is n combination r is equals to n factorial over n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. So there's no need to put the multiplication sign. It's over n factorial. So now let's compare this with this so that we can get our n and our r. So if you look at it, we have this is n combination r. We're having 9 combination 4. So that means our n is 9. So that means our n is equals to 9. And then our r, so our r is equals to 4. So now let's put in the value of n and r into this equation. Into this formula. So that means we are going to be having 9 combination 4 is equals to 9 factorial over 9. So n minus r, that is 9. No, our n is 9 and our r is 4. So n minus r is 9 minus 4. So that will be 9 minus 4 factorial. So multiply by, then our r factorial. Our r is 4 factorial. So let's simplify this. Our 9 factorial will remain. Then so 9 minus 4, that's 5 factorial. So 5 factorial. 5 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. So 9 factorial will be written as 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial times 4. So the 4 factorial, we are going to break it down. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So now let's multiply. Okay, before we multiply, so 5 factorial can divide 5 factorial. I've explained that in the previous parts of the video. So now what we are left with is, so 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. So that's 3024 divided by, so 4 times 3, that's 12. So 12 times 2, that's 24. So now, so 3024 divided by 24. So that will give us 126. And that gives us our final answer. Now, unlike the previous example 1 and example 2, at the end of the answer, we are always having whatever our answer is, we are adding ways. But this time around, we are not going to be adding ways, because the question did not ask us that in how many ways. They are not asking us in how many ways. They just asked us to evaluate 9 combination 4. So now we've gotten the value as 126, and that will be our final answer without the ways. So I believe that is understandable enough. So with that, we've come to the end of combination without condition. So in the next part of this video, now we are going to be dealing with combination with condition. That means if you are asked to select or to choose from a given set of objects or elements, and you are being given some condition. So how do you go about it? So that's what we are going to be looking at in the next part of this video. So if you have any question whatsoever under combination without condition, kindly leave them in the comment section below. If you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and then I'll see you under combination with condition. Bye for now.